Hello day sir, I'm Charles Dernhamlag from BSMT3 Canopus, and today I will discuss the following the IMO performance standards, the following the calculation and accuracy, and the performance test. First, calculation and accuracy. First is the accuracy of all calculation performed by XD should be independent of the characteristics of the output device and should be consistent with the agency accuracy. Dapat ang XD siguro sir is mo hatag og independent nga nang output the device should be consistent in the agency accuracy. Next is bearings and distance drawn on the display or those measured already drawn by the display should have accuracy no less than the afforded by the resolution of the display. Next is the system should be capable of performing and presenting the result of at least the following calculation: 1 through distance and azimuth between two geographic positions from known position and distance azimuth, and 3 geodetic calculations such as vertical distance and rhomb line and great circle. Dapat kuno kining dapat ang mo present ang result sa at least the following calculation: at least 1 through distance between two geographical positions and the geographic positions, like in the geodetic calculation such as vertical distance and thumb line and great circle. Muna ang answer, calculation accuracy. Bali dapat mo dyan himuon sa maguan kag ICDIS performed by ICDIS. Next is performance test and functions, alarms, and indications. First is ICDIS should be provided with means either automatically or manually carrying outboard test or major malfunctions. Mo ni ang dapat ang ICDIS kanang pwede rin siya automatic or manual carrying outboard test of major functions. Muna mo pwede rin siya automatic and manual functions. In case of a failure, then the test should be display information to indicate which module is fault. The next is XDIS should provide suitable alarm or indication of system malfunctions. Dapat ang XDIS is mo provide jud og alarm once nga naadjay in case of failure or kanang indication system malfunctions. And that's all sir. Thank you and God bless.